Welcome back to Bloom. We all want to look our best, especially keeping our skin and face radiant. If you're looking for a dramatic improvement with your face and neck, our next guest, Dr. Hermann, is here to tell us about the latest technique called FaceTite. FaceTite can achieve the results of a mini facelift without surgery and with very little recovery time. Welcome, Dr. Hermann.
Thank
this is
you,
so
Carissa.
exciting.
Yes.
So it's a facelift without surgery.
Well, I would say this is a lower face tightening procedure that gives the benefits of about 40 to 50% of a lower facelift. It lasts 7 years without surgery, without scars, all through little needles and laser.
It kind of sounds like science fiction, but you were very excited about this procedure.
Oh, yes.
So how exactly does the treatment work?
So for years, I have been trying to treat patients' neck and jowl area. I have been practicing Botox and filler for 14 years, and that we can get the upper face looking great, but people, the neck and this jawline, you know, that's been the big boogie, if you will, that I've had to refer out for surgery. So finally with this, we have a cannula, which is a needle that is rounded at the tip, so it does not puncture blood vessels. And we just use a needle to get it under the skin. And what you're seeing is the cannula delivers laser energy, which firms and tightens the skin.
And this is exciting. So we're seeing some sort of temperature differences as well?
Yeah, so it liquefies the fat with that temperature. So if there is any fat in the gel, I'm able to actually aspirate it the way you would with liposuction, but again, through needles, through small cannulas. And a lot of times when people do remove volume in the neck, they're left with crepey skin or extra skin. So the thing that's great about this is it's tightening the collagen so that you're left with, you know, a nice firm jawline.
That sounds exciting. So I would love to see and talk about what kind of results a person can see from this FaceTite.
Yes. I mean, we're definitely calling this a gap procedure for someone who is in their 40s and 50s and not ready for an actual facelift, or maybe I see older patients as well who just are never going to go the invasive route. You know, and they just want to do this. And so the results are, like I say, 40 to 50% of the results of a sort of neck lift, lower facelift.
I think we have some before and after pictures too. We can take a look up to see some of the results that you guys have had. Patients, after they have it done, what's their response like?
They love it. You know, so first of all, afterwards, people just wear a head, sort of a wrap for 3 days, but they feel fine. So they can work. They can work if they work over the phone, but a lot of times it's a long weekend, and then after that, they wear a head wrap in the evenings for another week, and then they have results like this.
Yes, we're seeing different patients here. These are pretty striking results. How long after the procedure is this second picture?
You will see this type of result after about, honestly, you see improvement the next day, and I think maximum result is at about 3 months.
All right, let's take a look at another one of our before and after pictures. Okay, so is that what you were talking about, crepey skin a little bit?
So this person really did not need liposuction, and this was more skin tightening.
Okay.
So we're definitely doing this sometimes to reduce volume, sometimes just to tighten the skin. Probably most commonly, it's a combination of the two.
All right, let's take a look at another one of these great before and afters. Wow, looking really good.
I mean, with no surgery, no scars.
Yeah, that's a very dramatic before and after.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, let's take a look. I think we have a few more. These are great to see. It really gives you an idea of how comprehensive it is. So it works on men and women.
Yes.
Okay. This is fantastic. So when they get these results and they're coming in, how long is this designed to last for the patient?
I mean, honestly, so we say it lasts about 7 years, but the reality is this is making your own skin firmer. So even at 7 years, you look better than if you had never had it. It's just, that's about when, I mean, we still continue to age, so people may want, you know, an additional procedure or something, you know, at 7 years, but even if they do nothing, they're still better off than if they had never had it. Well,
I know when you're excited about a procedure, it's something that's really revolutionary and exciting for your patients too. So thank you so much for coming here, Dr. Hermann, and sharing it with us.